Good morning, Sir Robert Conyado. I wanted to say sorry for not showing up to class today, and in order for me to fulfill the task on reciting or reporting my part in our research, I will explain it here to you virtually. So, my topic is about proving your broad and extensive reading of authentic and relevant materials about your topic. So, my number one reference is Randolph J.J. 2009, a guide to writing the dissertation literature review, practical assessment, research, and evaluation. So, this study explains that reviewing and citing many relevant sources shows the breadth of a researcher's knowledge and strengthens the foundation of the study. Randolph explains that citing many authentic sources proves a researcher has broad knowledge of the field. This wide reading builds credibility, avoids repeating past work, and strengthens the study's foundation. The second one is Hart C. 1998, doing a literature review, releasing the social science research imagination. So Hart argues that extensive reading of authentic material is necessary to demonstrate awareness of existing research and to position your work within the academic field. Hart emphasizes that extensive reading shows awareness of key debates and theories. Using authentic and relevant materials helps position the research within the academic community. And the last one is Booth W.C., Columb, G.G. and Williams J.M., 2008, The Craft of Research, 3rd ed., University of Chicago Press. The authors highlight that a strong research paper proves wide reading by citing multiple relevant and credible sources, which increases trust in the research. Booth and colleagues highlight that a strong paper relies on wide and credible sources. Doing so proves careful research, increases trust, and supports new ideas with solid evidence. So, the significance or the purpose of reading authentic and relevant materials about your topic is it can wide your reading, builds credibility, and it also avoids the repeating past work, and also strengthens the study's foundation so that the researchers and teachers can trust and can say that you have read so many articles and that you know all about your